Hey guys, welcome to the new video of AG Framework today. We are going to install the ManiMod script present MoneyMod boosting system. First of all, you need to visit their official QBOX website. I'll provide you the link in description after reaching their website. You can see multiple tabs. Just click on script section here. You can see the boosting. Just click on here. Here you can see the all advanced features. You can see all. It has a basic dependency of 3 scripts. First of all, you need to download their MoneyBridge and you need to be installed with your OX lib. Make sure you are having ESX, QBOX, or QBCore server. And for more issues, I'll properly explain your every thought process that I am having, and I'll properly install the script and show you how it works. First of all, make sure to log in with your CFX ID, then click on Add to Basket, then click on Proceed Checkout. Complete your payment. After completing your payment, the script will be received on your Keymaster ID. Here you can see, just click on here, download, save it to your computer. Open the downloaded file, click on extract. Here, copy the file and paste it. Your main server directory, as I am pasting now, open the file. Now you can see multiple files are there. First of all, you need to open the README section. Here you can find all 3 dependencies with proper download links. First, you need to have their official bridge system. Then you need to have their cells. Then, of course, you are having your OX lib. First of all, you need to download both of them. You are downloading their bridge, click on Code, then download it and save it to your computer. Then open their file, click on Extract here. Copy the bridge and paste it to your main server directory as I am pasting, and rename them. After that, download their cells. Follow the link, click on Code, then click on Download as a zip, then open the file. Click on Extract here. Now copy the extract file and paste it to your main server directory, and you can see, as I am pasted here now. First of all, open the bridge, then open the config Lua. Here you can find all the basic configuration of framework that you need to change, or you are having this here. You can see, first of all, they are having 3 of the frameworks, QBCore, QBOX, and ESX. Then you can find the QS inventory, PS inventory, QB inventory, Codem and Aux inventory. Same goes to the dispatch. You are having all type of dispatch with the proper job. Also, you can find the target systems. Same goes to the clothing. Also, you can change your progress bar version based on the system. So if you are having any type of external resource that are not mentioned here, you can directly add them without any issues. It's pretty easy, and you can add them at their bridges. So don't need to worry about that. Then close the file. You don't need to config about that if that's it. And also you can see the cells are there. You don't need to change about that. Now open the main script. Then open the config.lua. Here you can find the full config.log. First of all, if you are having the debug mode, unless you know what you are doing, time only. Second is the interval between every scripts and their timeouts. Then you can find the cooldowns. You can set their cooldown base at the basic version. It's set with 60 seconds. You can set it as you want. After 1 contract, you can set the cooldown. 2nd and then 4th is the hacking cooldown. Same goes to that. You can set the hacking cooldown without any issue. Also, you can find the GPS interval. You can select the GPS interval based on your need. Don't need to worry about that. And of course, you need to configure your police job after that. You can find the money types. You can directly get the money. Also, you can configure it as a black money. Also, you can get the item reward exchange of black money. Also, you can see there is a required driver limits. You can select this limit as a false as your server configuration. Don't need to worry about that. Same goes to the interior location. They are defaultly configured with the FiveM interior. You can directly add your own interior also. You can remove the interior as your choice. And after that, you can find the vehicle classes. Now, defaultly, you can add your own class. You don't need to worry about that. And also, you can increase the classes based on the section. So after that, you can find the all spawn point and delivery point. Same goes to the locations and blip settings. And also, you can add your own cell if you want. And here is the basic command for XPS and other increasement based on the section. You can see the permission limits are at level 3 selected as only God. So you don't need to worry about that. You can configure the command based on your needs. You don't need to change anything. Additionally, it's pre-configured and auto-reloaded. You don't need to change anything. You just need to do your basic configuration. That's it now. Close the file. You can find two open.luas folder. You can configure your basic dispatches and other things. Same goes to the key system here. You can see the key system is defaulted. Configure with the keys you can directly configure. Is it to your own configuration? Same goes to the minigames. You can configure them as you need. You don't need to worry about that. Also, the dispatch system, same goes to the utility.lua. If you don't know what you are doing, I'll suggest not to do anything. That's it. Copy the CF file and paste it to your main server directory. Here you can see we already pasted it. Now let's see how the script works in game. Hey guys, here you can see I am in game. The script is working properly. Now I'll show you the proper boosting. So default is configured with the 5 interiors. So it's the one of them. Just go there and place your target and then enter the warehouse. After entering the warehouse, you can see I am already done one contract. So you can see the car is there. So I'll show you the proper interface. So here is the main computer. Just click on Use Computer. You can see the proper animation. Also, you can see one of the vehicles are there. So first of all, you can see multiple tabs and the XP tabs. So I'll show you the proper timings. You can see my current class is D, and you can also see my XP is 0. And you can see also the next class is C, and I need 125 XP to unlock the class C. So first of all, it's my first vehicle that I done the contract. Also, you can see the profit of 17,000, and I'll fail it for that. I need to wait for the minimum time because it's the basic cooldown of the warehouse. After collecting your vehicle, you need to wait for some time. So for starting the contract, you need to click on Class D. Here you can see multiple vehicles are there. As I am listed only 3 to 2 vehicles, so it's showing limitedly. You can list your vehicle without any issue. As your server requirement, you can add your own vehicle without any issues. So I'll just select the STX and buy the contract for 30,000. Here you can see I bought the contract. Now after opening the map, you can see a proper circle is come around this area. It is the circle and the pickup area every time is different. So you don't have to worry about that. For now it is near me. I'll just go out of the warehouse and start finding our vehicle. So here you can see we entered the zone. I am start finding for the vehicle. When I am near the vehicle is automatically popped up in my mini-map. Here you can see the vehicle is moving and it's showing the proper marker on the GPS with the live update. Here you can see the vehicle. We need to kill the driver to get the vehicle. Of course, he starts running there. You can see we kill the driver. Now we need to lockpick our vehicle. Now we need to lockpick the vehicle again to start the vehicle here. You can see the drop point is marked on our GPS here. You can see the warehouse location. We need to just go to the warehouse location to drop the vehicle now. After delivering the vehicle, I'll show you the proper here. You can see we are at the delivery point of the vehicle. I'll just get out of the vehicle and click on Deliver Vehicle Now. It is delivered successfully into our warehouse. I'll just go to our warehouse location. We'll just go and enter the warehouse here. You can see here, you can see the vehicle have without an issue. Now we can use our computer. Also, we need to complete our delivery by selling it to other customer. We need to wait at least 5 minutes after the cooldown. We can deliver that again. You can also configure the cooldown based on your server configuration without any issue. I'll just fast forward the video. Also, you can add XP through admin command. Here you can see the command. Just put the player ID and then select how much XP you want. Like I'll set to 500, but of course you cannot do it yourself. But it's also automated, so you can directly add the XP to any player without any issue. So guys, let's start delivering the vehicle. First of all, use the computer. We are having 2 cars ready for the delivery. First, I'll do the STX. Just click on Delivery. Here you can see the waypoint is set. We need to deliver it to docks. You can see the delivery point, and also vehicle is gone. It's parked on the garage that we deliver our vehicle, same area. We'll just leave the interior here. You can see vehicle is here already. Also, you get the vehicle keys here. You can see also it's randomized if sometime your vehicle has a vehicle tracker in higher level category. So for that, you need to do their hack. Also, the driver can do the hack without any issue. Also, if you like this HUD, you can join our Discord for more info. You can see we reached our destination. We'll just step down and deliver the vehicle here. You can see we get the cash and black money. It is the random. You can set the money also based on your server configuration. Here you can see vehicle is also vanished. That's it, guys. Hope you like our video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next video.